This mystery partner, The Undertaker, from the Survivor Series, is obviously dangerous and extremely ruthless. Furthermore, another shocking development was revealed when we discovered that Brother Love is going to be his manager. Here are comments from them both. Kane, The Undertaker, is absolutely running rampant through the ranks of the World Wrestling Federation, leaving a trail of devastation in his wake. No wonder Brother Love has taken it upon himself to manage this destructive wrestler.
Accompanied by his manager, the Doctor of Style, Slick, weighing in at 420 pounds and hailing from the Northern Yukon Territory, here is Earthquake Evans!
I die so broke, when you never get nothing in the